Clap your little hands today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, set, let's go. Play and jump, run and slide. Come and join the fun. Down we go, play all day. Hip, hip, hooray. Laugh and sing. Jump and swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, set, let's go. Play and jump, run and slide. Come and join the red, blue, yellow. Play all day. Hip, hip, hooray. Laugh and sing, jump and swing.
Red, blue, yellow.
Climb up high, step by step. Jump, jump, jump so high. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them nice and clean. Run, run, here we go. Play and jump, run and slide. Hip, hip, hooray! Pedal, pedal, everyone. Whee! Down the slide. Bounce into the rainbow balls. Throw the ball, red and round. Build it tall, don't let it fall. Circle, square, triangle, too. Color, color, red and blue. Paint a picture, bright and new. Turn the pages one by one. Vroom, vroom, cars are fun. T for Teddy, yum, yum, yum. Drip, drop, flowers grow. Plant a seed down below. Kick it to the goal. Pop, pop, bubbles pop. Fly, fly, kite so high. Build a castle by the sea. Splash, splash, 1, 2, 3. Help Mama clean, yay for me. Fold the clothes so neatly. Help Mama grow the flowers. Help Mama set the plates. Sweep, sweep.
There we go, safety gear on. Ready to jump in, Momo. Go ahead. Great job putting all your toys away.
The playroom looks so neat now. Let's meet the farm animals. The cow says moo, the chickens cluck, and the ducks quack.
Wakey, wakey.
It's a brand new day. Let's stretch and say hooray! Yay! Great job on the potty. You earned a sticker for your chart. The bed. Pull the blanket up.
Okay, Mama. Look, I fixed the pillow.
That's wonderful, Momo. Great job. apple, banana, watermelon, strawberries too. Eating healthy breakfast. This is fun. Look how clean they are now.
Yes, we make a great team.
Up, up, and away. Don't worry, Teddy. Super Toddler is here to save the day. One bright star and then two more. Twinkling lights we all adore. Hi, friends! Subscribe for more fun learning videos with Momo. See you next time. Bye-bye.